Tired of wasting time and money marketing to real estate leads that go nowhere? Then you're in the right place, because today, we're cracking the code on how to find the best lists on Propstream to supercharge your real estate marketing first. Log into your Propstream account. You'll be greeted by the main map interface to start building your targeted list. Zoom into your desired geographic area. You can use the search bar to quickly navigate to a specific city, county, or even zip code. Next, let's define the location in the left-hand panel. Click on the location filter here. Specify the location details that were earlier identified. Now, for the juicy part, property characteristics. Click on the property class and property type filters. Select the criteria that match your investment strategy. For example, if you're looking for single-family homes built before 1980, select those options. Let's refine this list further based on ownership. Select the ownership info filter. Do you want to target individual owners or corporate owners? How long have they owned the property? The more specific you are, the more targeted your list becomes. Propstream also has quick list choices. These are predefined lists like high equity, vacant, or pre-foreclosure. These are super useful if you have a particular strategy in mind. Once you've applied all your filters, take a look at the results list below. You should now see a list of properties that perfectly match your ideal target market. Analyze this data, refine your filters if needed, and get ready to connect with high potential leads. That's it. By using these tips, you can find the best leads on Propstream and start closing more deals. Subscribe for more real estate tips and tricks.